Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Hello designers! In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for jersey design. To begin, open Canva and choose a blank canvas or select from thousands of available jersey templates. For best results, set your canvas to a custom size of around 4,500 by 5,400 pixels. This ensures high-quality output. You can then explore Canva's vast library for graphics, shapes, and text, or upload your own unique assets to kickstart your creative process. Now, let's dive into crafting your jersey's unique look. Personalize text with hundreds of fonts, vibrant colors, and cool effects to reflect your team's spirit. Easily add player names and numbers, ensuring they are large and clear for visibility. Integrate your team's logo or custom graphics seamlessly. Remember to adjust sizes and positions for a balanced layout. Play around with different color combinations to make your design truly pop and stand out. For advanced customization and branding, consistency is key. Use Canva's color picker to precisely match your team's official colors across all elements. Layering graphics and text can add impressive depth and visual interest to your jersey. Don't forget the transparency tool to create subtle blends and effects. You can also explore adding unique patterns or textures from Canva's library to give your jersey an extra touch of flair and originality, making it truly one of a kind. Finally, it's time to export your masterpiece for printing. Always download your design as a PDF print file to ensure the highest quality. Make sure to select crop marks and bleed for precise cutting during production. If you have Canva Pro, choose the CMYK color profile for accurate color reproduction. Double-check your design for any final tweaks before downloading. You can then easily order prints directly from Canva or provide the print-ready file to your preferred printing service.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.